So this is Lily of the Valley Community Property down here in Central Florida. Small town called Bassam Park outside of Lake Wales, right near Winter Haven and Lakeland, Florida. So we got a lot of work to do out here. We've had this property for 25 years, so we're going to build a large community garden. And out front here, we're going to have housing for the students. There's a college about 5 minutes from here, and there's many students that go there from Central Florida. So we like to build housing in this area here for the students. They can stay here free. It'll be like a scholarship, free scholarship for those that can maintain their grade average in college. We plan on having plots. People can come out and obtain a plot and work their plot to grow their own produce, food for their own family. Okay, the tractor's here, so we're getting ready to go down and meet the man with the tractor. Okay, honey. So we're going down to get the guy with the tractor. He's here. We've been waiting on him. We don't want him to leave. So y'all hold up. Taking him to be with us on this journey. Okay, we're walking up to meet the driver that's bringing the tractor out today for the garden. Down here at Lily of the Valley Community Garden. '1955 John Deere 50 series, which I've never been on one. So we got to learn how to drive it. It was an antique tractor. An elderly man had it in storage, and he had many tractors. He was a collector. He collected different types of tractors, mainly John Deere. And there's the tractor, John Deere. We'll get back with you later.